Hi everyone, welcome to my Let's Start Programming channel. In last tutorial we implemented server process that will give response on client requirements. Now we need to make client process. Let's go ahead and make client class. First we need to create new project, new Java application. Project name can be as client. Okay. Now we have client class. What we have here? First variable that we need is host. I will explain this later. Next that we need is port. Port number is 7777, same as in TCP accept class. Okay, we need user input scanner for user input. Okay, and we need socket. Don't forget to import this. Here, okay. Now we are going to our main method. First we need try catch mechanism. Now we will try to connect to our host. Get local host. For host we will use localhost. And we need to catch unknown host exception. If our program is unable to find host. So we will say unable to find host. Okay. And now we need to create a method for access to server. Let's make that method. Now we have method for server access. First that we need is to establish connection with server. So we need one more try catch. Okay. Now we need to create new socket. We have here two parameters. As parameter, this socket will use IP address of server, which is localhost. We define that here. And port number. Port on which server listen for connection. That is 7777. Okay. Second step is to set input and output stream. Okay. We use scanner for input stream and print writer for output stream. Forget import and print writer. Okay. And we need two variables, two string variables. First is message. which will hold user input, and second is response, which will hold the response from server. Okay, now we are going at the main logic. We need do while loop. First we need user to say user to enter the number. Okay. After that we will get input from user. Next line. User input. What is error here? Okay, static. Okay. And that input will be forwarded to server. So we use for that output that we define here. So we will forward our message to server, and server gives us feedback. So we will say response input, next line. Okay, and we need to print that response on client console. So you say server says plus response. Okay, and we need to implement IO exception if we have some error. Error. And we need to implement to close connection at the end. To try to close connection. Or we will get error message. Unable to close connection. Okay, that was all for client class. Now we need to add main class for server. First we need to add a start thread in server class. And we need to add new main class, new Java class. Class name will be main. Okay, and we will say TCP accept. We need main method. Okay, TCP accept new client. Okay, what we okay, and now we can run our project. First we run server. We have some error. Let's try again. Okay, port successfully opened. And now we need to start our client class, client project. And here it is. Now we need to enter some number, for example 9, and we will get response from server. Server says SQRT of number 9 is 3, or some other number 15.2. We will always get a response from server, which we defined here. Okay, that was all. Thanks for watching and see you in my next tutorials.